Rabbitins, hello, welcome to Rabbit. How are you? I hope you're doing incredibly great. So, in today's video, we're gonna talk about 5 reasons why I am gonna stay with the trainees of Rabbit. Yes, first of all, I have to let you know that I'm gonna stay with the trainees where they're gonna stay. Yeah, so the founder and the trainees are gonna have the same house. Yes, I'm gonna stay with them. So let's talk about the 5 reasons why I want to stay with them while their training period. Um, so the first reason is I want good human beings to be the artists of Revit. If you have seen my previous videos, you know that I have talked about this a lot. So I personally believe that while staying with them, I could definitely come across with a clarity that are they good human being or not, with their actions or their whatever their body language is, whatever they do in the entire day, and how they connect with each other is something I'm sure would give me a clarity if they are the good person or not. Yeah, so that's the first reason. Second reason is the safety of the girls. So as you know, we are a new startup and we don't have a lot of people or such a large management sort of thing. So me and trainees staying together would be best for the safety of them. They wouldn't be like, oh, there's nobody. If the founder is staying with them, they would have a sense of relaxed feeling that we are safe. And I've talked with the parents also, with the trainees parents most of the time, and when I say that I'm going to stay with them, that gives them a sight of relief that okay, girls are going to be safe because the founder is also going to stay with them. So that's the second reason. My third reason would be while living with them, I would understand their difficulties. So I have prepared everything that they need, and like in the house, in the trainees, and everywhere. But while living with them, I would understand that what difficulties they are having, what they need, what they don't need, and how something in the house is troubling them, or how something not in the house is giving a hard time. So yeah, understanding their difficulties would it's something very important for me to make sure they are having a great time while staying at the house or while doing the training session. So staying with them is very important for me to understand their difficulties, because I honestly don't want them to live a difficult life where they're living. Yeah, so that's something. It's the third reason I want to stay with them. Because I honestly want them to come, and I want them to have difficulties while learning the dance step or while learning the high notes in their specific lessons or classes they are doing. But I really don't want them to have a difficult time where they're living. I want them to have a very relaxed time. I want them to have everything that they want to have a relaxed time. So yeah, that's my third reason. My fourth reason is to have a bond with them. So we know that 10 trainees are gonna come and they're gonna live together, and in the end of the day, there's gonna be just 4 trainees. So from the very first day, if I start living with them, my bond with the 4 finals, I think would grow in this 2 months. So I really want to have a really good bonding with the final 4. So I think staying with them from the very first day, and seeing their journey, and understanding their journey, having conversation, being there for them whenever they need me, would actually help me to create a really good bond with them. I really want to have a great bond with the girls who are going to be the part of Revit, who are going to be the artists of Revit. I really want to have a good relationship with them. So staying with them from the very first day would, I personally believe that we would definitely have a start of great bond, I would say that, yeah. My fifth reason would be clarity in conversation. So for example, I'm not living with them and my staff goes there. So I tell my staff to tell something to them. My staff goes and tells them. But I'm sure there's going to be a difference between how the things are said. So if I'm living with them, I think we're gonna have a very clear conversation, a very clear goal. If that what I am expecting from them, if I tell them right in front of their face while living with them, I think that would give a very clear clarity to the girls that what, as in the company is expecting them in what area, in dance, in classes, in their personality or their stage fear, whatever it is. Having a clear conversation can give them a clarity about how they can do better in their classes to become the final four. So staying with them definitely was one of the reasons, was to have a very clear clarity conversation. That is very important. So I think staying with them would really help me and even them to have a clear conversation. So yeah, that's my fifth reason. These are the five reasons I really thought before thinking that to stay with them, and I think this is the five reason that made me to come to this decision that I'm gonna stay with them. So yeah, that's the five reason I am going to stay with them. I'm really excited, really excited. Yeah, that's it, Remittance. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am really grateful for your love, support, and appreciation towards Rivet. I am thankful so much. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do tell your friends and family about Rivet, because why not? Yeah, why not? Thank you, Rivetines. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.